Hello, welcome to this short screencast about using books in print to find textbooks and other course content for the Curriculum and Instruction Committee. I'm Aisha, your CNI rep as of fall 2022, and this will be a very quick and short introduction to books in print. So, Books in Print is one of the databases the library subscribes to that compiles bibliographic data from libraries, publishers, and retailers. You will use the simple search to find your textbooks, and it will show you alternative versions and editions of your book. I'll also show you a couple filters you can use to refine your searches by date, author, and other availabilities. So, to get started, here we are at GCC Library's website. This is the very first home page. To get to books in print, look under our research help area, and there is a database list that actually lists all the databases that we subscribe to called Databases A to Z. Click that link, and this will show you everything we have. You can go ahead and do a quick search or select B for books in print, and you'll see it listed among our other databases that we subscribe to here at Glendale Community College. Select books in print to open the link. If you are off campus, you will have to log in using your GCC single sign-on. So that's your GCC username without the @Glendale, and then your Canvas password. It should be the same thing. So here you'll see the front page, and a lot of these databases are the same. They have this giant box for searching. So we're going to go ahead and look for one of the texts. So let's say we're looking for concepts of biology, and we'll start with that since we have the name at least. And again, this is for find searches, so if you already know what you're looking for. Okay, so here we are. It's going to show you all the textbooks they know of that have that title. Again, we didn't give any other information, but you'll see automatically there's so many tools here that will help you refine your search. It also gives you a lot of information about each item. So things like the ISBN that are required for your course outline of record or your COR. It'll tell you when things were published, and most importantly, I think for our students, a lot of times it'll tell you the cost. So what actually are we asking our students to purchase in addition to getting the correct quote unquote book for your course. So that's kind of the simple search. That's how it works. I want to show you one other thing, and that's advanced search. Every database in the library generally has this advanced search. It's going to give you additional ways to find your book. And I like advanced search, one, because it allows you to do several things at once very quickly. So for example, say we're still looking for concepts of biology, because I know that's the book that I want, but I actually know that I want a specific author, and that's Fowler. And I can go ahead and change my advanced search to say, actually give me the author or contributor. I know that Concepts of Biology is actually going to be the exact title of this book. And if I wanted to, I could actually do some other keyword things or in a table of contents. So I was looking for a book that talks about, let's say, genetics, right? I can add that as a keyword and say, find me a book that has that in the table of contents, which is very helpful if you're not super sure what you're looking for yet. But since I already know, I can go ahead and use this advanced search, and it should give you the very first option. And there's concepts of biology. This is actually an OER. So again, these are also included in books in print. And again, you'll see all the information you need for your core right there, easy, and you can just copy and paste that right into your into the system. A couple other things to note about advanced search that I want to show you quickly. In addition to the boxes up here, again for known item searches, so I already know what I'm looking for, there's this great table of options if you just want to do some exploring. So if you want to find a book by audience, so college audience, English as second language, adult education, if you're looking for things that are currently in print to make sure that you're not getting things that are maybe too old or no longer available, if you want to make sure things that are in English or Spanish or French or German for our other languages, those are all options that you can delineate here in books in print. Very helpful to use, and you can even sort these things not only by the relevance, so again by how close the algorithm can find things to what you're looking for, but by date, because we know a lot of times you need the most common, I believe it's 5 years for CNI books. So if you need to search by date or you want to search by price, all those things are sorting options as well as all these options to filter and select. So welcome to Books in Print. I hope this is helpful to you. And if you need any assistance, don't hesitate to contact me.